Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, welcome to the place. Seychelles speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be timeless reading, as I say. Okay, follow me on Insta if I am repeating it. There's going to be, oh hello, hi. Someone is meeting you, you are meeting someone, there's a meeting, okay, and that's with a happy smile. I see smiles around, I see meeting after long. Okay, now this may be any kind of meeting within your family, within relatives, people coming, some guests approaching. That's a hello, because I saw like a latch and someone is opening it and then someone is entering. Okay, you're meeting energies, you're meeting people, and there's curiosity connected. Okay, so now here you have Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, and apart from this, this may be someone who is kind of like informing you, okay, that this is what we are on, like en route, or we are coming, or something like that. Okay, or see, let me see, but there's a latch that someone is opening. Now, to some cases, or for some cases, this latch might be something connected with opening emotions towards person, or someone who is opening themselves towards you and being in that zone of like hermit for a very long time, or someone who was so inwards. Now they're trying to open their room, or open that latch of heart, latch of emotions, or latch of room. Actually, in real sense, if you live there together, then that is also kind of energy. Someone who is locking themselves up for some reason because they're not ready to talk about something. Giving time and giving space might have given both of you time to realize some things, if that is the issue. Okay, and it's going to be settling. Okay. There is someone I see as in like Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for some cases. So this is something that, now not for everyone, but this is something that never turns out the way you want, or never turns out the way they want. Okay, now not to get tensed about it, but it's just something that they want to provide you so many things, or they want to give you so many things, they vision some things, they desire to connect, they want to talk and all this stuff. But then again, there's a lot of patience, delay, and there's a lot of juggle. Okay, some of them might have a family here. Okay, so water sign, can you give us the energy, please? Okay, so I'm hearing the word improvement. Okay, look, you have this energy, so they are definitely connected somehow, to and fro, here and there, but then again, boom 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 boom, bounce here. Okay, so there is someone who is very important to you, or was important to you, or is close still, but this is something or someone you know so well. Okay, so this is King of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I heard the word improvement. So maybe this is what people who don't give up on relationships, they fight. Okay, they quarrel, they fight, but then they make up for one another. That's what the latch is all about. Maybe this person is opening that latch. They are going to tell you something important. There's emotional conversation, emotional opening up, saying hi. In some cases, yes. Emotional time, yes. I'm hearing talk of the town. I don't know how and for whom it is going, but it is something. When the latch is opening, it's certain kind of announcement happening, something is official. So this official might be whoever was curious. This is news. I'm hearing like a news, boom 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 boom, improvement, news, some curiosity that will calm down because of the news that will be coming. There's news. Okay, so maybe for some cases it's breaking news. something that is going to be official, announced, Also, for some cases, it is someone who is opening the latch, means they are ready to talk. And this is curiosity connected from both the cases, okay? There may be a little bit of age difference, if that makes sense here for you guys. If someone is older or younger, it fits you, okay? I'm also hearing the word heading towards, so maybe they are heading towards you or you are heading towards them, because both of you are like, you know, let's talk. OMG. The moment I said you people are heading towards, you have Two of Cups energy. Two of Hearts, which is reunion or union of some sort. So you people are heading towards one another. So maybe they, you, both, and the curiosity. Engagement, I heard engagement is happening here for some cases, not for everyone. Maybe this is about announcement, official, okay? So breaking the news, boom, announcement, done. Two of Cups, someone may end up expressing so much to you, opening the latch, and they're going to dive in that pool or dive in that to let you know this is what I feel for you. Okay, so Two of Cups is definitely very much high. They are interested in talking to you. There is someone who is going to message you in order to communicate with you. All smiles, I heard all smiles, and I mentioned it earlier as well. So maybe this person is interested in talking to you. Yep, this might be happening after no decision, okay? This might be happening after chaos. This may be happening after misunderstanding, or this may be happening after being involved with someone. May it be from your side or the person's side, okay? Three of Swords is, yes, chaotic, but it is also someone who is possible very much curious in order to figure out what is happening. Maybe they're messaging you. They're messaging you every now and then. But for some cases, definitely it is official. Something is heading towards one another in order to give the official statement together, or something is official, okay? And also this is a closure as well for some cases. Heading towards one another, this should be the title actually for you guys. Let's see. Okay, someone is too much in thoughts, or they're thinking too much. They're trying to figure out a way. Actually, there's a way, it's just that they need to say it, and I feel that they are going to say it because your title is heading towards one another, towards each other. With the Six of Wands energy, this is kind of like victorious or trying to win someone. I feel this is going to be someone's approach or homecoming, or let's just say someone is pouring out their gesture towards you. Yes. With the Joker, my Joker is my dare card, okay? And Joker is dare to begin or start something. I feel like this is what the feeling is from both the sides. Opening the latch, possible you're opening the latch for someone, they are opening the latch for you, kind of energy opening up, okay? Exactly, also in reality. Okay, I feel like they want to talk to you about a lot of stuff that they have in heart, again, pouring out. And this is what is very much they are curious about, and they have a lot to say. There's going to be a message from your past or resurgence. Six of Cups energy, Six of Hearts. I heard they appreciate you. Someone over here appreciate you, and they want to have Ace of Swords energy. They want to initiate something with you. I feel I should take this card here, okay? But they want to talk about us. I feel like they're saying, let's talk about us. There's also birth. There was a child, if you saw it, okay? There was a child. So there's birth, possible of a child, about to happen or is happening. Look, child. Or birth of love, like opening the latch, kind of, assuring something, or getting into assurance. So something is official. I think we should cut the deck, okay? Info. see the bottom energy. Okay, so someone is in need of money. Money might be the problem here. It's kind of like reverse, kind of like, yes, actually it's reverse. But it is also, this is not for the sake kind of energy, okay? So they might want to talk to you about something else, but let's see. Constancy. I feel one person never moved. Now, it doesn't mean that they never moved from the place. It means that what they said, they were sure of it, okay? Or maybe there is going to be someone who is so constant, like they know that what they said, they want to stand by it. There's this energy of standing by it, and possible this is you, possible this is them. Whoever this is, there is constancy here, okay? That's how I see it as. The way you want to see. So heading towards each other, possible one person is here and the other one is walking, and that's how you're going to meet at the same place or common place. Yes, it's about self-esteem. It's about looking back but not claiming it, or this is nothing out of sympathy or something. You're not that, okay? So haughtiness is all about then opening the latch. Someone is trying. I feel it's going to be the trial. And this is all about pride. Yes, of course. There's going to be some proud moment in your life as well. You have gift. So maybe this is going to be presented to you. You're being invited somewhere. This may be connected again with an award or something like that. Or you might be getting certain kind of reward here. Reward, award, differentiator. But there's also some collection that you are doing, possible actually in jewelry, or you might be getting something from someone. This is out of honor as well. Again, this gift is also something they are bringing for the reunion, okay? There's this energy of enemy, okay? Something was hindrance, or people or someone in specific, they don't like what you have, or what you're about to have, what you're getting, how you are. They don't appreciate it, and it doesn't bother you, of course, and it shouldn't, because you've been constant in your principles and norms. But with this enemy energy, you should be careful about some things if it is consistently happening, or regarding work area. Apart from that, someone is jealous, okay? I feel it has more to do with being envy or jealous of something that you have, they don't. Maybe it is even connected with the love, okay? What's in love? I feel like looking at melancholy, this card is about love, kind of like it doesn't, you're like this, however you went through like this, if you went through, you don't show it, okay? You're very strong and very confident. So maybe they are in love, is like they are envy, or they are jealous, or they feel like this, that why you don't feel like this, okay? So maybe they have issues, someone is having issues. This may be in the midst of one person who doesn't bow, or doesn't go the way they want, kind of. But then again, they have someone, okay? Sweetheart is here. Or maybe someone is turning this situation into sweetheart, okay? So maybe you're reading something. Or maybe over here, I don't know, maybe you're dealing, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You might be dealing, if you're married, or if you have someone in life, then maybe you have these two energies, okay? One from past, kind of, the things happen here, which is about what to do, what is more important to me, kind of energy. Of course, this is a little messy, but then again, the situation, okay? Where you go, with whom you are, or if it is your partner, they know about you, if this is the situation. Okay, maybe this is connected with money, where this money is going. Let me see this particular deck, what's in, what is that universe wants to say. Also, this is your energy of like, you don't have that energy of like, what's that word, I'm unable to figure out. When there is so much that is being offered, and then you don't get into lure, okay? You don't go for that. You have your self-esteem, you have your confidence, you have your hard work, okay, and you don't get jealous, and you don't want, but you get, okay, you get, because you deserve. I was sure. Look, you have a King of Hearts. King of Hearts is King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and you again have King of Dragonflies, which is again Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so there is someone, yes, connected with the whole of the situation of like how strong you are and what they are dealing right now with, and what they made you feel like, if they made you feel like, and why they want to come back, and why they are jealous of that. Or if someone is aware that you are talking to them or they are talking to you and the person is connected with them, then they might know about it, okay? Seven of Beetles, the Seven of Pentacles. There's desperation of wait. Like, of course, there's patience, but there's desperation. I heard that, okay? I feel like someone is getting impatient. They might be stopping themselves, but they can't. Something they might be waiting on, okay, to talk to you, about us. I heard like a word is coming like a chopped, CHOPPED, okay? You have Seven of Dragonflies, which is Seven of Cups. So I feel like it's a lot of love, but who comes in that, who doesn't? Also, there are a lot of fantasies or desires or confusions. Or maybe this is the energy of this person who is still waiting to, you know, get the desired world or fantasy world, and then they're going to lose out on this one important connection that walked away, okay? And that might be you. They're curious to know about your world here. Still they are figuring themselves out. That's why they're desperate. Maybe for some things they can't do anything. This person is messing your mind up, or they made it messed up, okay? Once upon a time. Take right decision, okay? I feel like they mess you at times. No, if you're done with your decisions and all that, good, okay? Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.